It's all burn and J.I.R.A. Cause I'm all about him, and he's all about me. And we don't give a dang about nobody.
Hello, Danica! Kamusta? Happy birthday! Hindi ko lang sasabihin ko eh. Pero, yung invitation ko sa Facebook, di mo pa ina-approve. Let the dog. Hindi, yun. Tagal na kami nakakasama ng birthday lang ni, Lian. Siguro naman, panahon na para mag-banding ulit tayo. Yun, miss lang kita. Sana maging successful ka sa choose a career mo. And if you need anything, just let me know. Ate will be here. Ate talaga. No, but seriously, if may kailangan ka, alam mo naman ako, tagatanggap lang ako ng mga invoice ng buhay. Baka sakaling kung may problema kami matulog sa'yo. Yun, hope you have a great birthday. Love you! I miss you!
Happy 18th birthday. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you have a good one. And sana mas lalo pang maging masaya yung pagiging magkaibigan natin lahat. So, yeah, good luck. Good luck sa careers.
Hi, I'm here now at Circle Stopper and I'm interviewing some other people and everywhere, Happy birthday, Danica, that's all I can say, and I hope you're doing good. And I'm pretty busy right now, so I have to go. Bye! Happy birthday, Ate Danica! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Danica! Good luck sa studies! Ingat palagi! Wish you all the best! I love you, Mother. Happy birthday, Danica! Wish you all the best! Good luck in your college life! We love you, Danica forever! Happy birthday, Ate Danica! Hindi ka makita! Yan, naragot yan! Ayan! Happy birthday! Wala! Wait lang. Wala!
Wala ka eh. Sabi ka
ang kasabwat.
Sabi na eh. Ano nyo naman yung hirapan.
Ayun na.
Sige na, follow the stars. Hoy, saan yung stars? Nasundan mo siya?
Yeah.
Huwag ka na naman sa dito. Ay! Grabe naman. Bakit niya pinakalaya kwarto ko?
Yak na yan! Yak na yan! Happy birthday!
Ako masaya?